everybody, Chuck Green here. Welcome to another Under the Hood. As you can see, we're in my native Northern California to talk about something I'm surprised we really haven't talked about much. We're going to talk about fog and the new ADJ Fog Fury series. All right, well, now I've been magically whisked back to our studio in beautiful Southern California, where it is now February and about 80 degrees, and as you could guess, no fog. So we're really excited, though, to talk about our new Fog Fury series of high output, super efficient fog machines. And we have the Fog Fury 1000, the Fog Fury 2000, and the Fog Fury 3000, and we also have the Fog Fury 3000 Wi-Fi. Man, that is a mouthful. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of you, if not most of you, have used or own a fog machine. But for those of you that don't and are kind of curious why you may need one, is because fog really intensifies your lighting show 100 times over. It gives the light something to catch midair. Now, of course, back in the old days when people used to smoke in clubs, in bars, you didn't need a fog machine because there was tons of smoke in the air. Thankfully, times have changed, and now people use a water-based fogger for that effect. Okay, so some of you may wonder, well, do I get a fogger? Do I get a hazer? And that's really up to you. I mean, foggers are definitely the choice for mobile DJs, a lot of nightclubs, just because hazers tend to use an oil-based fluid, which is great for outdoor venues or if you just really need a very fine mist. But most of the time, mobile entertainers are going to use a water-based fog machine. We've got 3 different size heaters in 4 different units in the Fury series. We have the Fog Fury 1000, which uses a 650 watt heater, giving you 3,500 cubic feet per minute. We've got the Fog Fury 2000, which has an 1,100 watt heater and will give you a 7,000 cubic feet per minute. And then we have the Fog Fury 3000 and the Fog Fury 3000 Wi-Fi. Both of them have a 1,500 watt heater and will give you 21,000 cubic feet per minute. That is a lot of fog. Okay, so let's talk about the tanks real quick. The Fog Fury 1000 features just under a liter tank. The Fog Fury 2000 features a 2.5 liter, and the Fog Fury 3000 and the Fog Fury 3000 Wi-Fi both use a 5 liter tank. A really cool feature about all of these tanks is they have an LED that lights them up to let you know if it's warming up, it'll be red. If it's ready to go, it'll turn green. Okay, let's talk about remotes. The Fog Fury 1000 comes with a basic on-off manual control, and it has a 9-foot cord on it. The Fog Fury 2000 also comes with a basic manual on-off control with a 25-foot cable. The Fog Fury 3000 uses DMX in and out and has an onboard menu where you can adjust the timer to your liking. And of course, the Fog Fury 3000 also has a menu where you can set a timer, but you can use wireless Wi-Fi control. There are some optional controllers as well. The FF23TR is a timer remote that you can use on the Fog Fury 2000 and the Fog Fury 3000. The FF1000WR is a wireless remote that you can use on the Fog Fury 1000. We also have wireless remotes for the Fog Fury 2000 and the Fog Fury 3000, and those are called the FF23WR. All right, so even though fog machines have been around a while and essentially they work the same, you know me, I'm all about quality components, so I'm going to go ahead and rip open the 3000. We're going to check out and see how a fog machine works, and we're going to show you the really cool stuff we have going on inside of this machine. All right, so I'm about to void the warranty, and I tell you guys this all the time. Do not try this at home, but especially with a fog machine. These things can be really dangerous if they're plugged in and opened up because there's a heater in here that gets extremely hot and you could burn yourself. So let's just leave that to knuckleheads like me, okay? Here we go. Okay, well, we've got the top off here, and it's pretty neat looking inside, but we're gonna need you guys to come in from above to take a look at this one. All right, so obviously the water-based fog goes in the tank. This goes in the top there, and then the fog will come through this filter, through this reservoir, through this nice piece of tubing here, into this very high quality Italian made pump. Now, it's kind of interesting. Why Italian made? Well, they drink a lot of espresso in Italy and they build a lot of espresso machines, so they're pretty good at building fluid pumps. Okay, and out of our pump here, you can see there's a little right angle brass fitting. There's a stainless steel tube that goes around into this black box, which is our heat exchanger. Now, I can't really dig into this because, well, there's all kinds of insulation around the heat exchanger, but what it really is it's a aluminum core, heater core. You can see the positive and negative leads here, and that's gonna heat up, and you're gonna run the fluid through it, obviously heat the fluid up. Now this one, being a 1500 watt machine, is gonna have a really obviously high temperature and a quick flash rate, so the juice can get through it, heat it up really quickly and out of the front. And the advantage to that is you're gonna have a quicker duty cycle. The recycle time is gonna be much faster on a higher wattage machine in general. So, so again, the juice goes through here, gets heated up to a really high temp, and then it's gonna be shot out of the front nozzle. And once it's, you know, the really high temp fluid hits the air, it atomizes and creates fog. It's real important you put this where people can't touch it because this nozzle is extremely hot. Okay, so we're gonna try a under the hood first today. I'm gonna try to put something back together and hopefully it'll still work. So we're gonna put this together and I'm gonna take you down to the ADJ showroom and we're gonna let these foggers rip. Hey everybody, so now I'm down here in the ADJ showroom and I've got a special treat. I have a highly skilled, highly trained fog machine professional, Mr. Jason Seacut back here. Yep, that guy. He's also a part-time jeans model. So anyhow, we've got the foggers lined up. Jason, why don't you give me, let's see a little bit of the 1000, the Fog Fury 1000. Oh, that's cool. See, that'd be perfect for your house party, your backyard boogie, or your small haunted house. Let's see the 3000. Oh, all right. I meant 2000, but yeah, Jason, again, a professional. So the 3000 you can see is quite a huge burst. It actually is kind of filling up the whole room. Real quick, give me the 2000. All right. Okay, so you can see the 2000's obviously a medium size one. The 2000's gonna be great for your school dances, your plays, or whatever. The 3000's gonna be more for your concert, nightclub, or large dance applications. So I wanna give away a Fog Fury. So I'm gonna do the Fog Fury 2000. So you guys go to the Under the Hood Facebook page and post photos of your rig. You can use it with, without fog. I just want to see a cool lighting rig. You can do, you know, show me several different scenes if you want, do a video, but I want to see creativity with color. I just want to see something interesting. I want to see a really cool rig, and the winner's going to get a Fog Fury 2000. Now get me those entries on the Facebook page by March 28th. And yeah, hey Jason, can you give us some more fog? Thanks for watching Under the Hood. I'm Chuck Green. See you next time.